Okay, hi and welcome back. My name is Stephanie and I am a project panner. One of, I think, my most successful projects that I've been doing for the last 3 years, I think, is my nail polish project pans. On my last project polish update, somebody had asked if I would do a video going over how I choose my nail polishes. So that's what I'm going to do, and I'm also going to give just a few tips for nail polish project pans. So first things first, I have about 60 nail polishes, about that many, and I break them into seasons. My fall and winter's nail polishes are in one of my bags right here. Actually, these are my summer ones. I don't remember. So I put fall, winter nail polishes in one bag, and then spring and summer nail polishes in another bag. I have this bigger one, and that way I'm not overwhelmed by having all of my nail polishes out at one time. And since I tend to wear like seasonal nail polish colors, it makes it easier for me to pick which polishes I want. Once I have those like two separate groups, then I will look at the seasonal polishes and pick out 4 total nail polishes that I want to use up. I've come to realize that 4 is like my magic number. I do tend to go through nail polishes fairly quickly. I use about 1 a month. And I do this as a rolling project. So whenever I finish up a polish, I will bring in another one, but I never have more than 4 going at a time. I also like to choose a wide variety of colors. So for right now, going into summer, I have this like blurple color, this bright orange, and then I have this more teal. Oh, that's not even the right one. My bad. I have this more teal nail polish, and then I have this glittery pink one right now. Let me show you like the progression on my nail wheel. Starting out the year, I had a mauve, a gold, a pink, and a teal. These 2 were at the beginning of the year since it was winter. And then moving into spring, I had those 4 colors. And now that I have these 2 gone, then I had moved on to those 4 colors. These 4 right here are now gone, and so now I have that color scheme, and I really like it. I wouldn't pick like all 4 pink nail polishes because I would get bored with that. I also wouldn't pick like all blue nail polishes because again I would get bored. I like having a variety of color to choose from. I find that just works best, and then I don't find myself like overwhelmed by too many pink nail polishes or anything like that. Also, I like to have like a topper or a base type of color. For this season right now, this Explosion of Fun by Orly is my topper. I have it on my nails right now. This is 3 coats, and I can wear it by itself because it gets fairly opaque, but I can also put this nail polish on like this blurple and it looks really pretty together. I had also used this glittery one on top of this pink one, and it worked well. So I like getting polishes that mix and match. It's just how I do it. So like these 2 look really nicely together. These 2 look nice together. And then I could even do these, like this one on my toes, this one on my nails. Yeah, that's about it. So I just pick the colors that I'm drawn to at the moment, and I go from there with it. If there's ever a nail polish that I just really don't like the formula of, or it chips like ridiculously fast, like within the first day, then I just declutter it. I don't try and force myself to use up nail polish that I absolutely hate. Here are some tips for panning nail polishes. I personally paint my nails every night. If it's not every night, then it's every other night. It's the one time of day typically that I can like sit down and just don't do anything. I'll have a Netflix show on or a movie on, and I will sit there, take off my nail polish, and repaint it. I do that also because I don't like chips. As soon as my nail polish chips, I don't like it. it drives me crazy. So that's how I think I am able to get through nail polishes really quickly, is because of the consistency of me painting my nails. If you have like 10 nail polishes and you, in a project, and you don't paint your nails that often, you're not going to get through them and you're not going to see progress that you want to see. Also, I think it helps me because I get bored of the same nail color every single day. Like if I was to wear the same one every single day. So that's why I changed it up too, because I don't know. This is just a quick, easy way for me to switch up the colors in my life, and that's nail polish. It's just something easy for me to do. Let me think what else. So I only choose 4 nail polishes. I paint my nails every single night, and I found that these little plastic wheels are really, really good for tracking progress. If I'm feeling kind of like, oh my gosh, I'm never gonna see progress on this nail polish, then I'll look back at my nail wheel and I'll see that I have 4 marked off already, and it's only May of the year. So it just goes to show that just like whenever you track your progress on makeup items, you can do the same thing with nail polish. So this is like my overall progress, and then take for example this one by Glisten and Glow. I have a black nail polish that I use to mark my progress. So that was my starting, this was my first update, and that was my second update. And that way I can see, yes, I have used this. And it's very motivating is the word I'm looking for. It's motivating to see that I have used up like 3/4 of the bottle of nail polish. I definitely suggest separating your nail polish into seasonal colors, whether it be like spring and summer or spring, summer, winter, fall. That was not in order, but you know what I mean. And then only choosing a small handful of nail polishes. If 4 nail polishes is too much to start off with, choose 2 nail polishes that you don't think that you'll get bored with, and go from there. Paint your nails as often as you can. Whenever you have the time, just sit down and do it. It's great. I also always use 2 coats of nail polish. None of the nail polishes that I've had are 1 coaters. The first coat is usually kind of meh anyways, and then the second coat just like evens everything out. Very rarely will I use 3 coats of nail polish. It just gets too thick by the time I have my base coat, my layers of polish, and then my top coat. That's it. If you're looking for chips super fast, don't top coat your nails because nail polish will chip. I'm constantly using my hands, if you can't tell, and I think that's why my nail polish chips so fast, because I'm always busy with my hands. I figured I'd show you guys my bag. I leave this downstairs next to my couch under like a side table, but this has everything in it that I need to do my nails with. All of my nail polishes are in here. I have cotton pads. The nail polish remover that I use is the Zoya remover, or the Remove Plus. I have a thing of acetone for cleanup. I have nail polish thinner. They sell these types of bags everywhere. I got this whenever I was selling 31 bags, which I don't do anymore. But extra stuff is in this pocket. And then I have a permanent marker for marking my nail polishes before I paint them with a black line. Nail wheel. I have an extra nail wheel in here to kind of play with like different combinations of nail polish. And then I have my files, and then my top coat, base coat is all in this pocket. Easy access. I'm not having to come upstairs and drag everything down every single night. It's just right there where I sit on the floor. I do my nails every night. All right, I hope that helps. I don't know. Nail polish panning is so much fun, and it's one of my favorite projects, not only to do, but to watch. I love using up nail polish. It's super satisfying, and I have not bought any nail polish in quite a while because I'm trying to use up everything that I don't necessarily love, and I'm like trying to curate my collection. And so project nail polish panning is a great way to use things up. Yeah, if you're having a hard time with like thick or goopy nail polish, Get some nail polish thinner. I got this one at Sally's. It was only a couple dollars. This has been absolutely great. I've had this for like 2 years and that's all that I have left. So I got that tip from Cherish or Pretty Pistol 86, as well as the nail wheels. I adore her for that tip. All right, that's all I have. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that was helpful. Have a wonderful rest of your day and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
On my last Project Pan update, somebody asked me if I would make a video, shoot, it's over. On my last, I can't talk. On my last Project Pan